Hola clase. Several of you have asked me to explain how to fill out the verb chart, so I thought I'd do a quick introduction to this. Let me just emphasize that it's very important that you start filling this verb chart out starting with Unit 1, and don't wait till before the exam. It's not going to do you good if you do that. You need to start using it. You're not supposed to be using your book for the test. Those are not open book tests. And the exam's not open book, so get used to using this verb chart as your help. A lot of your Spanish work, a lot of your tests are going to be about verbs, so it's really worth making the effort. So if you look here on this very first verb that's up here, ser, this shows up in 1.3 in the very first unit. If I go over here to my book and go down here to present tense of ser, there it is right here. There it is right here in the book. So what I'm going to do is first thing I'm going to do is conjugate this across here. So I'm going to take these conjugations and I'm going to write them here across the top. Soy, eres, es, somos, sois, son. And this you don't know yet. You don't have to do this till later. This is in 5.2, so don't worry about this column till you get to Unit 5, okay? Now this is an irregular verb, one of a kind, so it does not follow any kind of pattern. But then let's go on and move down to this one, to the regular hablar. Hablo, hablas, habla, hablamos, accent mark there. Habláis, hablan. Okay, so now I have a verb here that's regular, AR, and this follows a pattern. So there's other verbs like it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to find hablar here. It says it's in 2.1, so this one you're going to hit when you get to Unit 2. And here's the verb that's been conjugated here for you as an example. Here are all these verbs that follow this same pattern. So what I want to do is I want to take these verbs and I want to put them here in this pattern piece right here. So it says, see, it's on page 38, so it's here. So I'm going to start writing this. Bailar. I'm going to let you write the English to each of these. Buscar. Right? So I'm going to do that all the way down here. So what's going to happen now is when you're doing an exercise for the book and you find a verb, you're like, I wonder how this is conjugated. Then you can look and see if you can find it here first. And let's say it's the verb bailar. You say, oh, the verb bailar is in this column. That means it's a regular IR verb. How do you conjugate it? Here it is right here. So those two are connected. So I can take this verb bailar now and I can conjugate it the same as hablar. Right? Bailó, bailas, baila. Bailamos, bailais, bailan. My exit mark is going the wrong direction there too. So that's how the verb chart is supposed to work. This is the same for Spanish 1 and for Spanish 2. Gracias.